In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Yahoo email account to Gmail. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening your browser and navigating to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, Gmail will prompt you to enter your credentials. Once you see the Gmail homepage, select the account you wish to use. If you want to use a different email, just click Use Another Account and type in your credentials, taking extra care to ensure your password is entered accurately and securely. It's always a good idea to do this over a private, secure network to keep your information safe. Now that you're logged into Gmail, look towards the top right corner of the page for the settings gear icon. Clicking on this will lead you to the settings menu where you can manage all sorts of options for your account. From the drop-down menu that appears, select All Settings. This will open up a new page displaying a variety of tabs. Among these, you're going to want to select the Accounts and Import tab. This particular section is dedicated to managing different accounts and services connected to your Gmail. In this area, find the option labeled Import Mail and Contacts. Clicking on this will initiate the import process. A new dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter your Yahoo email address. Type it in carefully, and once you've checked for accuracy, click Continue. In the next steps, you'll be required to sign into your Yahoo account to authenticate the connection with Gmail. This step is crucial as it verifies and grants the necessary permission for Gmail to access your Yahoo account. So, go ahead and log in using your Yahoo credentials, ensuring, as always, that your login information remains private and secure. Once this is done, you'll see a prompt to Start Import. Click this to initiate the transfer of your emails and contacts from Yahoo to Gmail. Be aware that depending on the data size, this could take a little time. But don't worry, patience is key here. You'll then see a confirmation prompt. Click OK to exit the dialog box. The import process will continue running in the background, allowing you to monitor its progress or carry on with other Gmail tasks. And just like that, your Yahoo emails and contacts will soon be found within your Gmail account. This integration not only makes your life easier by centralizing your email management but can also significantly enhance your productivity by keeping everything you need in one place. And there you have it, with these simple steps, you've successfully integrated your Yahoo account into Gmail. Enjoy the streamlined efficiency of managing all your emails from one single platform.